Na-experience mo na ba ito? You turn day into night and night into day, but until today, wala pa rin nangyayari sa buhay mo. Well, the mistake that most people believe, the more effort we give, the better chances we succeed. Ito ang na-realize ko, hindi pala tama. Bakit? Pag-usapan natin to. Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Sa video na ito, I will help you to stop na talagang mapagod ang iyong sarili at malaman kung kailan talaga ang tamang timing na mag-push. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Because I pushed before and I paid the price. Wala po nangyari. Talagang sobrang sipag ko, sobrang tiyaga ko, lahat ginagawa ko, pero wala, pokya pa rin. Nakakapagod. Alam mo, nakakapagod, hindi ka napagod din. Nakakapagod pag walang resulta. Do you agree? Type agree kung nag-agree ka. So bago tayo mag-start, sagutin mo muna to sa isip mo. Ikaw ba ay pagod? Or parang sa sobrang pagod mo na, tinatamad ka na? O wala ka na talagang drive? Kasi wala naman nangyayari. Pero yun nga, minsan nakakapagtaka eh. Feeling mo, ready ka. May skills ka, may plano ka, motivated ka. Pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Na-double mo na yung effort mo, di ba? Sobra ka ng stress and pressure. And you start to question already, God, Lord, kailan mo ba sasagutin yung prayers ko? Diba? Hindi mo pa ako handa? Alam nyo, ito lang pag feeling mo na talagang ready ka na, pero pag hindi ka pa talaga handa, according to God's timing, alam mo, mangyayari niyan. No matter how hard you try, it will never work. The reality is this, ito yung na-realize ko. Effort is rewarded when the timing is right. Diba? Minsan naman, wala ka naman masyadong ginagawa, pero yun, timing. Oo, nagkaroon ng opening. Diba? Bigla na lang nangyayari na walang kapagod-pagod. Effort without the right timing, alam mong equivalent nun, burnout, pagsisisi, pagkatapos niyan, stress. Without us knowing, yung God's timing na sinasabi, that it's the invisible factor that can really help you. Ito yung parang nakita kong formula eh. Handa ka, without timing, pagod ka. Handa ka, with God's timing, ang mangyayari niyan is what? Progress and success. So, I would like to ask you right now, i-evaluate mo yung buhay mo. Nagpo-push ka ba ngayon sa buhay mo, pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin ba nangyayari? Maybe, it's not yet God's timing kung ready ka na. Or maybe, if it's God's timing, baka ikaw mismo, hindi ka pa handa. Kaya nga minsan, ito yung part ng yung sa timing kung bakit napakahirap pagkatiwalaan. Kasi yung effort sa buhay, diba, yung push mo, control mo Pero yung timing, hindi So, anong nangyayari kadalasan, pinipili natin yung effort rather than God's timing. Parang sa ano yan diba? Parang, Lord, bakit hanggang ngayon single pa rin ako? Oo. Maybe you are ready mentally, emotionally, but God knows for a fact that you are not yet ready financially. Pag binigyan ka ng responsibility, baka magkagulo ang buhay mo. Kaya kung makikita mo, dito ang missing link Effort can be faithless when you ignore what? Timing. Timing, ibig sabihin po nito, hindi yung wala kang ginagawa. It's alignment. God doesn't delay to frustrate you. God actually delays to test you, to prune you, diba? To protect you. When you rush timing, ang nangyayari po niyan, hindi maganda po ang nangyayari. Diba? Kunyari, pagka nagplant ka, nirarush mo na bumunga yung plant, hinihila mo araw-araw, mababansot yan, mamamatay yan. Kaya kung tatanungin kita, tayong dalawa lang naman nag-uusap dito Anong part ng buhay mo na talagang pinupush mo ngayon pero alam mo hindi pa time? Is it in the area of your relationship? Is it in the area of your finances? Is it in the area in your career? Ito na yung question, Chinky. Paano natin malalaman kung talagang timing na ni God? It is the perfect timing. Number one, dapat may peace. Hindi yung stress. Diba? Kasi yung urgency demands now Pero timing, ang ibig sabihin niyan, you are patient to wait for God's time. Number two, pinipilit mo pa. Kino-convince mo ba lahat ng tao, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Number three, nagkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na FOMO mentality. Yung fear of missing out. Ako'y napag-iiwanan na ako. Alam mo kung ganon, di ba, wala kang peace, at the same time, pinipilit mo, tapos nagkakaroon ka ng FOMO, obvious ba? It's not yet time. Alam mo, pag in-ignore natin ang time, pwede ka maging successful, pero yun nga, mabigat. Pwede ka maging successful, pero mananagasa ka. Pwede ka maging successful, pero hilaw siya. But when you honor God's timing, alam mo, may peace ka. Number two, may progress ka. At the same time, lumalago na walang masyadong effort. Kaya nga, I want to challenge you today. Sana magbago na tayo, no? Na rather than doing it according to our time, why don't we wait for God's perfect time? Again, what are the things that we can learn from this short episode? Effort without God's timing is frustrating. Number two, when it's God's time, it will have peace. At the same time, hindi mo kailangan pilitin. At the same time, hindi ka nagfo-FOMO. Always remember, God is our provider. It means ang provision hindi lang tutungkol sa pera. It's all about wisdom, strength, opportunities, and God's timing. So, let me go to this last part called think, reflect, and apply. Pag-isipan mo mabuti. Saan ka nape-pressure right now sa buhay mo? Anong area ng buhay mo nape-pressure ka? Paki-type lang sa comment section and let's talk about it. So, before acting, let's pause. Let's ask for the right time, not according to your time. Sana na-enlighten ka sa episode na ito, na-guide ka, and magkaroon ka ng reflection. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina, ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.